Hello! Welcome to my channel, Mr. Handyman at your service. Guys, we are going to repair AVision LED TV with backlight but no pictures. Panel repair. Guys, if you like these videos and you want more like this, you can push that subscribe button to update you in my next contents. Here's the model number of the unit, AVision 40FL-H02. Here's the trowel of the unit, with backlight but no pictures. Panel repair. Okay guys, let's prepare the unit. Let's open the unit by removing only 3 screws. And take note to open that, we need to slide to the right to open the back cover. To access the top board of the panel, we need to remove first the system board and remove the lower cover with speaker. Take care to remove the ribbon wire going to the top board, and then let's return the system board and also the ribbon wire to operate the unit. Okay guys, we are going to proceed to troubleshoot the unit. First, we are going to check the voltage in the top board of the panel. As we notice, there is a 12 volts DC input voltage, but there is no voltage reading in the DC to DC circuit. Okay guys, let's remove the ribbon wire going to the other side of the panel. And check the voltage in the DC to DC circuit. As we notice, the same. There's no voltage reading. Let's check the top board for short circuit. Let us set our digital tester to continuity setting to easily identify the short circuit reading. As we noticed, there is a short circuit reading to the source COF. Okay guys, let's remove our suspect SMT capacitor. Guys, we found out the defective SMT capacitor. Let's check again for the shorted circuit. Okay guys, as we notice, there's no short circuit already in the circuit. Let's return the 2-ribbon wire to connect the other portion of the panel. Okay guys, let's proceed to voltage reading in the top board. As we notice, the voltage in the DC to DC circuit are present and also all are normal reading. Guys, the unit is working properly and the display is normal. Thanks for watching and goodbye for now. Maraming salamat po.